welcome to YeFit Adventures. My name's Darren Yee, and this channel is about backpacking, cooking, and fitness. So if those things interest you, please consider subscribing and hit that like button. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the extra clothing that I take on a weekend backpacking trip. So stay tuned. So in a couple weeks I'm going to be heading up to Lake Tahoe, where the temperatures are going to range from 70s in the high down to about 40s, the low 40s. So what I like to do is prepare a layering system with my clothes. So you have like your base layers. So I'm going to go over the extra clothing that I'm going to be carrying. And all of that clothing fits in a little packing cube. I got this packing cube at IKEA. I think a pack of 3 or 4 packing cubes was like $5 or $10. They're super lightweight. It has a zipper and a mesh see-through, so you can see all your clothes inside. The other thing is I carry is a Nano Puff, Patagonia Nano Puff puffy jacket. It's made out of synthetic and it weighs about 10 to 11 ounces, but it keeps you super warm and it's super light. The other hard shell that I bring is the Outdoor Research Helium II rain jacket. Even though it may not rain on this trip, I always keep it as a windbreaker, or it can also be as sun protection. Just an additional layer that I can put on over my puffy jacket in the case that a temperature drops. So let's dive into the extra clothes that I bring. Alright, here's another shot of my Strider Pro, Patagonia Strider Pro 5-inch seam shorts. Here's my Patagonia middleweight thermal bottoms. Patagonia Airshed hoodie. Some Smart Wool quarter length socks. A wool 100% merino wool t-shirt, a wool buff or neck gaiter, my Outdoor Research Helium II rain jacket, and the IKEA packing cube. The 2 sets of clothing that I bring is my hiking clothes and then my sleep clothes. So basically, I usually carry my Outdoor Research hat. The clothes that I've been wearing is either a technical race t-shirt, either some convertible pants, some Darn Tough socks, my Ultra Lone Peak trail running shoes, and either some type of running shorts that has pockets. So a neat idea to rolling up your clothes to keep them compact is I use the hood for this. So I basically scrunch this up, roll it up, and I tuck it into the hood. Just like that. Got my shorts here. I like to roll a lot of my clothes so that they fit nicely in it. And then my buff. Throw that on top. I'll either keep this in one of my backpack pockets or somewhere close in case I need it. So there you go. It keeps it all organized right here in this packing cube. So I want to thank you for watching YeFit Adventures on my clothes that I take on my backpacking trips. But the clothes for this will get me down to the 40s with no problem. This will lighten your load. You don't have to bring extra pieces of gear. Thanks for watching YeFit Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this or found this informative, or you've got other pieces of clothing that you'd recommend. drop them down in the description below. Till next time, take care and stay safe. Aloha.